Is it time to buy or sell Skillz stock? In this video, we will explore Skillz in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 2nd of September, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Skillz as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.77. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 14.45% since we first listed Skillz as a buy candidate 17 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.85% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust rising trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend hints at a potential change of approximately 36.81% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 16.16% to 60.91%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of about 30.96%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 31.11% to positive 38.25% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $6 and $12.04. Our latest daily update for Skillz highlights a red day on Tuesday for Skillz Inc stock, which experienced a decline of 1.25%. On the last trading day, Tuesday, the 2nd of September 2025, the Skillz Inc stock price decreased by 1.25%, falling from $8.82 to $8.71. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.42%, ranging from a low of $8.47 to a high of $8.76. Over the last 10 days, the price has dropped in 5 instances, resulting in a decline of 2.46% for this period. The trading volume rose by 23,000 shares, despite the drop in prices, which may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 62,000 shares were traded, amounting to approximately $538,180. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $9.11, while the lowest price was $3.54. Currently, the price stands 4.39%, or $4, below the 52-week high and 99.06%, or $917.25, below the all-time high recorded on the 5th of February, 2021, when the price soared to $925.96. Skillz's second quarter results present a mixed picture. Revenue reached $27.4 million, reflecting an increase of about 8% and surpassing expectations. Meanwhile, the earnings per share loss narrowed to $1.12 against market predictions of a larger loss. The preliminary release indicated a surprisingly high gross profit of approximately $24.2 million, alongside an adjusted EBITDA loss near $10.4 million and paying monthly active users numbering 146,000. In the short term, the revenue beat and strong gross margin may ignite a relief rally as investors respond positively to the monetization strength and top-line momentum. However, the significant operating loss, negative EBITDA, and relatively small paid user base introduce downside risks and potential volatility. Any negative commentary regarding user trends or cash burn in the follow-up call could quickly lead to a decline in the stock price. Looking at the long-term prospects, the potential for growth hinges on scaling the paying monthly active users and transforming those high gross margins into operating leverage and positive free cash flow. If Skillz can successfully foster user growth while maintaining cost discipline, the stock might see an upward re-rating, Conversely, if losses continue and growth stagnates, investors should anticipate dilution risk and ongoing pressure on the share price. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 23rd of October 2023, it was reported that BTIG assigned SKLZ a neutral rating alongside an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 12th of October 2022, it was reported that BTIG assigned SKLZ a sell rating with a downgrade action. On Friday, the 23rd of April 2021, it was reported that Jefferies assigned SKLZ a hold rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Skillz stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given this stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Skillz. Skillz Inc. stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this suggests a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. In the event of further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $8.74. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $7.98. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will signal a sell. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Thursday, August 14, 2025, resulting in a decline of 4.18% thus far. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Skillz Inc. experienced increased volume on the last trading day, but this occurred alongside falling prices. In technical analysis, this phenomenon is referred to as divergence and may serve as an early warning sign. While rising volume amid declining prices can sometimes be viewed positively, this typically applies to standard sell-offs. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivot sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 29 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 80 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages signaled a buy 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Skillz. Skillz Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $8.67. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock is known for its significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 290 cents between its high and low, reflecting a change of 3.42%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.91%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Skillz, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative $1.28. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's explore some potential day trading levels for Skillz. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Skillz is at $8.90. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making an investment. For those who already hold the stock, This level could present an opportunity for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Skillz meets its first support level at $8.67. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as an excellent entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Skillz from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 22nd of January, 2025, when Lento Salvatore Jr. conducted an insider purchase of 9,524 shares of restricted stock unit. Recommended stop loss is set at $8.39, reflecting a decline of 3.65%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a heightened level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is Skillz stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Skillz Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 3rd of September, we anticipate Skillz to open lower by approximately 6 cents and commence trading at $8.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.